Before you begin brewing, let's run a Grind IQ cycle to calibrate the grinder to your beans. Grind IQ is our AutoBarista technology that takes the guesswork out of grind size adjustments. It learns about the beans you're using and automatically adjusts the grind to account for roast type, bean size, and freshness, so you can quickly and easily achieve perfect espresso brews every time. To start, place a cup under the coffee spouts and double-check that your bean hopper and water reservoir are full. Grind IQ works across all espresso-based drinks, so begin by selecting espresso on the display. Press the Grind IQ button, then press Start to begin the cycle. Throughout this process, you'll hear the grinder spinning and the burrs adjusting as it auto-calibrates grind size, weight, and dose, all at the same time. Burrs are the grinding components that crush your beans into fine, even grounds. Grind IQ will run an average of 3 espresso brews in a row to determine the ideal grind size for your specific beans. It learns from each brew and continues to adjust as your beans get older. Once the cycle is complete, discard the calibration brews. Your machine is now fully calibrated and ready to brew. If your Grind IQ light is still illuminated orange after the cycle, run 1 to 2 more espresso brews to allow your machine to continue learning about your bean type before running another Grind IQ cycle. Changing your bean type, like from a dark roast bean to a light roast bean, will require running a calibration cycle again. Let's make your first cafe-inspired cappuccino at home. Begin by selecting Cappuccino from the preset drink menu. Using the buttons on the left side of the display, adjust your brew strength, temperature, and number of shots. The Strength button changes the ratio of coffee to water in your brew. You can use this button to increase or decrease the size of your espresso brew, as well as change the flavor intensity of your espresso shot. A higher strength setting brews a smaller, stronger shot, and a lower strength setting brews a weaker, larger shot. The Shots button allows you to choose between a single, double, or triple shot. This changes the amount of beans dosed into your grinder, increasing or decreasing the size of your drink without changing the flavor intensity of your espresso. We recommend starting at strength 2 to 3 and a double shot of espresso. Next, customize your froth on the right side of the display. The recommended froth type is underlined. For cappuccino is thick froth, but feel free to experiment with different froth types. Make sure to select dairy or plant-based, depending on the milk type you're using. The froth jug has 3 different fill lines, with markings labeling each drink on the menu as a guide for how much milk goes in each drink. Fill your froth jug with cold milk up to the cappuccino line and place it on the unit. The standard milk volume is 4 ounces, but you can fill as desired to customize your drink. The AutoBarista comes with a high-powered steam wand and an integrated magnetic-driven whisk that delivers cafe-quality microfoam. With specialized temperature control that unlocks froth-perfect technology. Place a cup under the coffee spouts and press Start. AutoBarista crafts the perfect cappuccino in 3 easy steps for a fresh, hot beverage every time. First, the machine doses and grinds the exact amount of beans based on the drink you selected. Then, it will froth your milk to the selected froth type. Last, it will brew the espresso. During this step, you'll notice the AutoBarista continuously whisking automatically to keep your froth fully incorporated. The progress bar will illuminate to show you where you are in the process, and it will beep when your drink is ready. When complete, pull the froth jug off the platform and pour your milk into your mug or cup. Wipe the steam wand with a damp cloth and push it back down into place to trigger the Auto Purge function. Yes, it's that easy to clean. Now you're ready to create and customize all your favorite drinks and bring the cafe home with your Ninja AutoBarista.